Hey guys, my name is Azaria and welcome to my channel. Today is a very quick video because I just wanted to come on here and show you guys my quick, easy, simple morning skincare routine. It's literally like 3 to 4 steps depending on what day it is, and it's so easy, so effective, and my skin has been doing great because of it. I also have a nice little skincare haul from Kaale Essence. You all know I love Kaale Essence and I use Kaale Essence products on a daily basis. It is one of the best local skincare brands well, I haven't really used much. I've only used two and they're included in this video, and Kaale Essence is hands down the best. I think I purchased about I think 3 products from her, and then she threw in an extra freebie. And that's what I love about Alicia. Alicia is one of the co-owners and also a friend of mine, so we laze off and on. And yeah, she's just so warm and friendly, and she does things like throw in an extra product for you, or sample, I guess it would be a sample, an extra sample for you. And yeah. So the first thing that I purchased is the charcoal and tea tree soap. I use this on my face basically every single day. For now it's going to be twice a day, but because of one of the products that I bought, it may change to once a day. I just want to interchange some products and see how my skin responds to it. But this is definitely a staple in my routine. I think that I will always continue purchasing this product from Kaale Essence. It's one of the best products I've ever used. The only facial cleansing soap that I've used on my skin for the last 2.5 years. If I'm not mistaken, 2.5, if not 2 years. That's how long I've been using this without any complaints. It's always been consistent and I just love this stuff. The next product I purchased is also a cleanser. It is the Good Vibes Face Cleanser. It's a liquid compared to like the solid bar soap. This is a liquid, and I just wanted to try out something that's a little bit different, a little bit softer on the skin, that's going to treat my skin and add more supple and softness to my skin. I'm thinking about using this in the morning, so my morning routine might actually change a little bit, and I will call for another video. I'm really excited to try this. I've heard good reviews from this, and I know a lot of people who bought this love this, so I'm very excited to try this. The next item that I purchased was the Aloe Amore face moisturizer. I was looking for a moisturizer to use in the nighttime. In my morning skincare routine, you will see what I use as a moisturizer, and it also has aloe in it. Aloe is just so good for your skin. It is loaded with benefits, and as much as I can, I try to incorporate it in both my hair and my skincare. So this is a new product that they launched, I think, last Christmas, and I didn't get the opportunity to try it. So I said, you know what, let me purchase it. Let me give it a try and see how it does. My skin doesn't like really heavy stuff, so I'm very excited to try this and see how my skin reacts to it. Okay, this next item is actually a sample that she sent me to try out. It is a face moisturizer and primer combo. It's supposed to be used under makeup, obviously, as a primer, and it's supposed to give your skin a smooth, glowy finish, and it's also supposed to help prevent your skin from getting too dry and getting too oily. Alicia sent this to me as a sample to try out and give her feedback for, and I'm very excited to. If you are familiar with Kaale Essence and you use the Even Me Out elixir, it's the same bottle that the Even Me Out elixir used to be in. And I love the Even Me Out elixir. It's one of my favorite products that I've used from Kaale Essence. So I'm hoping this is quite similar to that, and I'm very, very, very excited to try out and give my feedback. And last but not least, the wonderful Alicia threw in a free face mask. This is a sheet mask. For me, it is a vitamin C collagen essence mask from Kaale. Kaale is always a great go-to brand. And yeah, I will be using this maybe on a self-care day, spa day, whatever you want to call it. I will be trying this out. I like sheet masks because they're quick, easy. You throw it on, leave it on for 15 minutes, and take it off, and it does what it's supposed to do. So thank you so much, Alicia. You are such a sweetheart for sending me this as a complimentary item, and I really, really appreciate it and the great stuff that Kaale Essence has been doing. So let's get into the good stuff and let's get straight into the skincare routine.
Okay guys, so the first thing that I do is I wet my face obviously, and then I am starting out with the Kaale Essence charcoal and tea tree soap. This is my cleanser of choice this morning, and it just works really well to remove any dirt and buildup and excess oils that's on my face. It is quite stripping if you have sensitive skin, but it works well for me and my oily skin type, and it just removes everything, and it's great. After rinsing, I'm moving on to using my St. Ives Acne Control Face Scrub. This is such an OG product. Since I was a teenager, I've been using this product, and I don't see myself stopping anytime soon. I know there's a lot of controversy with this product and the type of exfoliant it is, but it just works really well. I don't do this every day. I do this twice a week, maybe 3 times if I must, but I definitely don't do this stuff every day. And it works to remove dead skin cells and just give me a fresh, glowing face in the morning. Again, I'm repeating, I do not use this every day. I use this 2 to 3 times a week, and it does its job as an exfoliant. And to be honest with you, ain't nothing beating it yet, and I will be continue using this until I advance my skincare and find something that can replace it. But until then, the St. Ives is here to stay. Okay, moving on to toner. This is the BU Skin Treats Vitamin C Brightening Toner. This is another local product, and if you haven't heard about BU Skin Treats, I will link the website in the description and in the comments for you to check them out. But they are a local skincare company, just like Kaale Essence, and I love this toner. It does its job at removing, things that may have missed during the cleansing process, and the vitamin C does a great job at brightening my skin. It is more of a natural product, so to see the effects of it, you have to use it, for a longer period of time, but it works. And my final step is using my aloe vera gel as my moisturizer. As I mentioned before, aloe is great for your skin, and this gel works perfect for me as a moisturizer. It's lightweight and effective.
Okay guys, so that was my simple morning skincare routine and also my quick skincare haul from Kaale Essence. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and give me a big thumbs up if you enjoy this video and content like this. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Oh.